Okay, Madhurima, could you please share your screen? Okay, now you can see enable the screen share. You are the host now. Hello, Madhurima, you there?
Hello? Yeah, yeah, I'm here.
Okay, can you just try start sharing your screen? Okay, cool. Can you open Jira Confluence pages that you created? Okay. Can you close that pop-up? Zoom pop-up? Mm, okay. Can you go to the Confluence page? Very good. So you shared a couple of pics, right?
Yeah.
Can you showcase me those? No, no, no. Which you already created. I'm not asking you to create the new one. Just show me. You just close it. There is a option called close, or you can go back. Yeah. Mm. No, not that one. You just close it. There is an option called close, right? Close that. Scroll down. I can see some stand up. Can you scroll
Yes.
down fully? Yeah. Mm, sprint plannings. Yeah, you show me that. I'm asking for that only. Mm. Mm,
Yeah, this is it.
good. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting. Yeah. Okay. Stand up. Okay, fine. Retrospection. Can you open retrospection and show me? So all these are in draft. Means you didn't share this. Click on publish.
Hmm.
It's okay. You just click on publish. Okay, go publish. Yeah. We can edit it later. Okay.
Okay.
That okay. So now, okay, once again, let me open note. Okay, Madhurima. Thanks for sharing your screen. I'm taking over my, you know, I'll take over the screen for a few minutes.
Okay.
So, are you able to see my screen? I opened a notebook, Notepad plus plus. Are you able to see that?
No.
Okay.
Hope I have to go to here.
No, wait a
Then I
minute.
can see your.
I'll share again. You just let me. I think now I can. You can able to see my screen. Madhurima,
Yes.
are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
See? Mm,
Some notes.
yeah, notes. Yes. Okay. So now, till now we discussed about Zira, right? Zira,
Hmm.
Confluence. So we discussed about roles as well. What are the roles in Scrum? Three roles, three major roles. Product owner,
Team.
Scrum team, yes,
Scrum
exactly.
team.
Yes.
Developers.
No, 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 no. Scrum Master,
Q.
Scrum team in the sense developers comes,
Developers plus
plus
Scrum team.
comes, developers
Scrum
plus QA.
QA. Quality.
Um, Testers are else you can say testers. So whatever the way you can able to remember, you can you know read like that. Not an
Hmm.
issue. Okay. Now, so we discussed a few things as well, like what are some of the templates that we use in content page, like a daily stand up, retrospection, sprint planning, all these, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to discuss about roles and responsibilities of a Scrum Master.
Hmm.
So how we will discuss, in the similar way, if you answer it in the same question in the interview also, they will accept it.
Okay.
Okay. So most of the people do a mistake here in the interviews. They'll just read out some of the roles and responsibilities from their resume, or
Hmm.
somewhere they will read their responsibilities. They will tell that. Okay.
Hmm.
But we should not remember like that. We should remember when in a day. Okay. First, we will discuss as per day. Okay. In a day, what you will do?
Hmm.
Let's say your day starts at 10 a.m. Okay. By 9:55 a.m. So I'll mention you. You means Scrum Master. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
You will be check Scrum boards. Okay.
Hmm.
Reports like burned on chart. Burned
Hmm.
on chart, right?
Yes.
What
Yes.
is what is the leftover work? Okay.
Leftover work means what we remaining
Remaining,
work.
exactly, remaining. Got it, right? Remaining work you will
Yes.
check.
Yes. Hmm.
Okay. So how you will say in the interview? before going to start the stand up, okay, my stand up will start 5 minutes before the stand up. I will be going to check the scrum boards and reports, how much amount of work is being, completed, how much work is being created. For those, I will use, okay, reports like burned on charts.
Mm.
Okay. So in daily stand-up meeting, okay, I will ask my team to, I'll ask my team to update their work in Confluence page. Okay. There, I will ask three questions. Okay. The first question is what you did yesterday.
Mm.
You remember, right? This one. We wrote it in the Confluence.
Yes.
What are the plans for today? Okay. Are there any impediments? Impediments in the sense dependency.
Mm.
Okay. We'll ask we'll ask these three questions to everyone. So they'll update this in the
Okay.
Confluence. We will
Mm.
cross check it and we will see that. Okay.
Mm.
So this meeting will happen at 10 o'clock. Okay.
Mm.
For example, if you having, so what is the duration?
15 minutes. 10 to
Exactly.
15.
15 minutes you can say. Okay.
Mm.
So for example, if you are having two teams, na, one is
Mm.
at 10, one is at 10:15.
10, 15.
Okay. So this is how we will manage the daily stand up. Okay. Somewhere at 11, I will be attending. Okay. Scrum of Scrum calls. What is Scrum of Scrum calls? Okay. You have a multiple teams. Okay. For
Mm.
example, you have a project, bank project. You are working for some banking application. Okay. In the
Mm.
application, there are multiple modules. You are Scrum Master for two modules.
2. Mm.
Okay. And other people are also same working in the other modules, but same application.
Mm.
Application is same, but modules are different.
Modules are different.
Okay. But you have to know what they are doing also.
Mm.
Okay. Because it's your application. So here 11 o'clock call. So you will explain all these things to senior management.
Mm.
Okay, senior management join, they will join the call. You will update overall status of the two teams. Okay, what you will explain, especially if any blockers. Got it right?
Mm.
For example, you have the two teams, so everyone is saying everything is fine. Okay,
Mm.
so to understand easily, you know, some of the organizations they implemented there is a called RAG status. Sorry, RAG status. R stands for red. A stands for amber. Okay. G stands for green. Okay. These are just like a signals. Signals
Mm.
if you can see in the roads. Okay. If somebody said red means it's a blocker. They stopped.
Mm.
Amber means there
Going
is
on.
some ambiguity. There is some ambiguity, but they are able to do it. Green means it's a smooth. Okay. Got it right.
Yes, yes.
So in the 11 o'clock call, Scrum call, okay, you will explain this rack status of the team. Okay, accordingly, senior management will look into your issue and they will resolve if any blockers are there. They'll try to help you.
Mm.
Got the point?
Yes.
So that is the one thing. Now, one second, one second, please.
Yeah.
Mhm. So this is at 11 a.m. call. At somewhere at 11:30, you may have a call with stakeholders.
Mm.
Okay, there you will ask the stakeholders. So in the stakeholders call, product owner will join, or senior management also will join.
Mm.
Okay, there they'll explain the future roadmaps. What are the requirements? Okay, what are the things that need to take care in the refinement sessions? All those things they will discuss.
Mm.
Okay, now somewhere at 11 p.m. in the okay, so you will send out the overall reports. Okay, reports of Scrum meetings. So you will explain about what are the things that they discuss, what are the plans, what are the things that going to discuss in the refinement session. So what is the overall sprint report, red, amber, green? All these things you will explain. How many how many tickets you have taken in this sprint? How many tickets are in progress? How many tickets are in to do all those things? Got it right?
Yes.
Now it's 12 and you will be going to send out the reports. Okay.
Mm.
So after that, you know what you will do. So as a Scrum Master, you'll just check with, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. You will check how your team is doing. Are there any blocker? You will go if some people will say that there are some blockers, right? At that
Mm.
time, you will go and meet them. Okay. Speak with them and try to resolve their queries. And if they are your team somewhere in the team they may feel low, right? You just
Mm.
need to act as a like a buddy and speak with them and try to resolve their issues.
Mm.
Okay, along with them you can chat with the stakeholders for the future requirements. So what are the things that we are going to pick it up in the upcoming sprints? Okay,
Mm.
all these kind of things you will do. So
Okay.
somewhere around 2 we'll go for lunch and we'll be back at 3 p.m. and you will be going to ask your team. So morning they said like what are the plans for today, right?
Yes. Mm.
You will check with them how much percentage of work that they had in. These are all interactions that you have to do it. Okay, face to face conversations.
Okay. Mm.
Because it won't mention anywhere.
Yeah.
Even in the Scrum book, it won't mention, they won't mention. But
Okay.
these are things you have to do it by speaking with them, learning from them. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
what are the challenges that they're facing? For example, there are some new requests from product owners. Okay,
Mm.
there are some discussions needs to be handled with the stakeholders. At that time, you have to set up some new calls, and it's all like how you manage. Okay. For example,
Mm.
you also doing some work at your office, right?
Yes,
If
yes. Mm.
somebody will ask and come and ask you what are your responsibilities, there are many responsibilities, but on top of that, you have to manage the people.
Yes.
So here also same. Okay. Only the part the 10 a.m. to 12, it's all about taking the information and send it to the reports. Okay.
Mm.
After 12 to 6, it's all about how you manage, how you handling the team.
Mm.
Okay. So there is, there is no strict criteria that you have to do this and that, not like that. So few of
Mm.
the things like you need to resolve the conflicts, in the team. Okay.
Mm.
Resolving the conflicts and right. So when you are working in a company, so there are different set of people will come and all these people will be having some kind of issues, internal issues. Okay, these
Yes.
things we have to manage. Code reviews will happen. So at the time of the code reviews, also people won't accept their code actually. So at that time also there are some conflicts. So those also you have to manage. Okay,
Okay.
it's all about people management. You do here. Okay, you will be have a team and you will be going to do the things in the right way. Clear, right? And
Yes.
stakeholder management. Sometimes, right, stakeholders won't be happy. You have
Yeah.
to speak with them, understanding their requirement. First, listen to them, what they are saying, what their expectations.
Mm.
Record, okay. So, what I do now in organization, if they are saying something now, will keep 100% attention to them until the issue get resolved.
Mm.
Okay. So I'll ask my team respond clients messages immediately. Okay. So whatever they are asking such kind of the questions, any kind of the questions, so first respond them. Okay. You can think and you can reply to them later, but respond to them and address their query. Okay. If somebody come and asking something, you just say, okay, I'll check it. Just give me 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then you do whatever, you know, uh, the discussion that required, all these things. You got it right?
Yes.
Whatever I'm trying to say.
Mm.
So these kind of the things you have to do. These all things will happen in the daily wise. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the things will happen sprint wise? Means 2 weeks.
Mm. 2 weeks.
So you need to perform scrum ceremonies. Once a day, already you performing that daily stand up. Okay. Sprint meetings. Instead of saying sprint meaning, sprint refinement session. Okay. It means it's a grooming call. Product
Mm.
owner will come and explain you the requirements. Okay. Right? Product owner will explain the requirement. Yeah. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Hmm. Sprint refinement sessions will be there that you have to conduct. So usually it's 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. He will explain the requirements.
Okay.
Okay. After refinement is done, then we'll have the internal refinement session. Like your team only here,
Hmm.
product owner will explain. Okay. This is internal refinement. So team lead will explain this. What
Hmm.
are the requirements and all to the team. So this is almost like a 2 to 3 hours session will be there. Okay. In some companies now, what they will do, for example, these discussions will happen for the next sprint, right?
Hmm.
Future requirements. So some people, what they will do, first, weekly, first they will take one session in 1 week and is another session in the second week. 1 hour, 1 hour. That also will work. You got my point, right? Hello? Hello, Madhurima. Madhurima, am I audible?
Hello.
Yeah, Madhurima,
Hello.
am I audible? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Madhurima, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So let me explain again. So refinement sessions, its average time is 2 to 3 hours in a sprint. That
Hmm.
they can manage first week 1 hour, second week 1 hour. That also will
Okay.
work, I'm saying. Okay. So product owner sessions will happen and internal refinement will happen. Okay. After sprint, okay, we called as sprint review or sprint demo. So QA team leads will give
Hello.
demo. Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Did you get my point? Whatever I said, sprint review.
Can you explain one more time? Some network
Okay,
issue.
okay, no problem. So after these meetings, this sprint review will happen at end of the day, end of the sprint. Sorry,
Hmm.
at the end of the sprint review will happen.
Hmm.
It means it's nothing but whatever they developed, they'll showcase to the client.
Yeah.
Okay, after this meeting, you will be having this sprint retrospection.
Okay.
In the name itself is there, it a retro. Retro means it's a kind of a review, but you should
Re-
not mention as a review because we already have the sprint review. In the Scrum
hmm.
book, sprint review in the sense demo. Retrospection in the sense where you can improve things. Okay.
Okay.
For this, you will ask couple of questions. What went well during the sprint? Okay.
Hmm.
What didn't go well during the sprint? The third question is what we can improve. Okay. These three questions are very, very important in the sprint retrospection. Majorly, improvements is there na. So for that improvements, Madhurima, you there? Respond to me.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Because you are frequently getting network issues, right? If you are silent,
No, no, I'm
then
here.
I don't
Yeah.
Yeah. So, so what are the improvement points are there? You will put those into action items.
Hmm.
Okay. So those action items you will update, all these things you will update in the Confluence page. You will follow up with those action items.
Mm.
Got it right?
Yeah.
So this is how after this sprint ceremony is na, you will
Mm.
close. Okay, you will close the sprint.
Mm.
Clear, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
So if you explain in this way in the interview, okay, interview will the interviewer will like very much because you are explaining your daily schedule.
Yes.
Okay, if you go and see, okay, I'll stop sharing. Just share your screen and I'll show you something. Yeah, can you share your screen?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm doing.
Can you open ChatGPT, Scrum, ChatGPT and type Scrum Master roles and responsibilities?
Hello.
Yeah. Yep. Can you read out?
A Scrum Master plays a crucial role in Agile and Scrum teams.
Wait. It's not Agile. It's Agile.
Agile. Agile.
Okay. So that's very, very important, Exactly in one of the interview, okay.
Mm.
One girl answered all the question, but when she explained, she said like this only when she pronounced
Okay.
again. So they just laugh and they did not selected. Okay, it's a agile. Okay, fine.
Okay. Right.
So that's why I'm just reminding you. Ha.
Okay. Okay.
Mm,
Agile and Scrum teams.
mm,
Serving as a facilitator, coach, and servant leader who ensure the Scrum framework is properly understood and followed.
mm.
Their goal is to help the team work efficiently, remove obstacles, and continuously improve.
Okay.
Here's a detailed breakdown of the roles and responsibilities of a Scrum
Mm.
Master.
Yeah. So now you can read facilitator.
Facilitator of the Scrum process. Ensure the Scrum ceremonies. Example daily stand up, sprint planning,
Mm,
sprint
mm.
review, and sprint retrospective are held
Okay.
effectively and on time.
Okay. Next.
A servant leader for the team
Mm.
puts the needs of the team first and helps them perform to the best of their abilities.
Okay. Mm.
Removes impediments or blockers that
Mm.
hinder progress. Example,
Okay.
technical issues, organizational barriers.
Mm.
Protects the team from external distractions and unnecessary
Mm.
interruptions.
Mm.
Coach and mentor.
Mm.
Coaches the development team in self organization and cross
Mm.
functionality.
Mm.
Guides team members and stakeholders on, I forgot,
Agile.
agile.
Agile. Ah.
Here is no Z, right? Then
No,
agile
but we have
principles
to
and
pronounce
scrum.
like that only. Mm.
Okay, and scrum practices.
Mm.
Encourages a culture of continuous improvements, learning,
Mm.
and feedback.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Liaison between the team and stakeholders.
Mm.
Facilitates communication between the product owner, development
Mm.
team,
Mm.
and
Mm.
stakeholders.
Mm.
Helps the
Mm.
product owner manage the product backlog
Mm.
effectively and ensures the team understands the priorities.
Mm. Mm. Okay.
Promotes transparency and ensures stakeholders understand Scrum goals and programs.
Okay. What else?
Promoter of Promoter
Mm.
of continuous improvement.
Mm.
Encourages the team to inspect and adapt, using
Mm.
retrospectives to identify areas of improvement.
Okay.
Helps implement process enhancement that boost team efficiency and collaboration.
Mm.
Tracks team metrics like velocity, burn down charts to foster discussions on improvement, not to
Mm.
enforce control.
Mm. Can you scroll down? Yeah. So you can see, right? There are many different things. It seems like something is there, but you don't understand what exactly it is, something like that.
Hmm.
But if you are going to explain, which we discussed in the schedule
Hmm.
wise, okay. So I already shared to you in the WhatsApp, okay. So if you
Okay.
go and see time in the time wise, okay, before joining to the Scrum call, so I will
Hmm.
be going to check the dashboards and reports so that I can
Hmm.
ask my questions to the team, right? Questions to the team. Then
Hmm.
whenever they joined, I'll ask him to update uh, the things whatever they're doing in the we have a okay conference spreadsheet. They will update their work what they are going to perform today.
Hmm.
And to maintain effectively, I'll ask the rack status red, amber, green. So based
Hmm.
on that, I can understand the overall severity. If anybody said red, the team will focus on their red status and they will resolve the things. Okay.
Thanks.
I'll
Hmm.
ask the three questions. What you did yesterday, what are the plans for today? Is there any dependencies? If
Hmm.
any dependencies is there, I'll discuss them in the short. If we could, if you could resolve that, and we will do it right away. If it is the taking that time, then I'll ask after the session. Okay. This is
Okay.
how I'll plan the daily stand up.
Okay.
Then I'll have a meeting with the okay SOS call. So
Hmm.
multiple teams will be there. I'll join there. I'll update my status to the team so
Hmm.
that they can help me if somewhere is attention required.
Hmm.
After that, I'll be having the stakeholder call. So I'll take the future requirement. I'll explain the what are the overall progress of the project. All
Hmm.
these things I'll discuss there. So
Hmm.
I'll collate all the details and I'll send a report, a detailed report in the sprint call. I mean,
Sprint.
sprint report in the mail to the everyone in the team and the stakeholders so
Hmm.
that everyone can see the transparent in their work.
Hmm.
So likewise, if you explain, then I'll perform scrum ceremonies.
Okay.
Okay. So if you tell in this way, so people, it's like, it will be very realistic and whatever you are saying, it is very practical.
Okay.
Okay. Likewise, you have to do that. Okay.
Mm.
So this is how we need to explain to the things that you have to explain it in the interview.
Interview.
Okay, you do one thing. You just share your mail ID. Okay. I'll
Okay.
share couple of roles and responsibilities as well. Okay. And
Okay.
accordingly, you prepare your own responsibilities in your way.
Mm.
You got my point, right?
Yes.
So we had a discussion, and you just try
Mm.
to prepare by your own.
Mm.
Okay, we'll review that in the tomorrow session, and we will prepare one consolidated and strong roles and responsibilities team. So that this is
Okay.
a guarantee question, right, in the interview.
Yes. Mm.
Definitely. So if you are able to answer these things very confidently, you are almost there, halfway.
Mm.
Got it right?
Yes.
So likewise, we will do it.
Mm.
Okay, is that clear for you?
Yeah.
I already shared you the roles and responsibilities. You just go
Yes.
with those
Okay.
and let me know if you have any questions. Then we can discuss in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow, I have a week off, so I can connect in the morning as well. Okay,
Morning. Morning in the sense.
morning in the sense whenever you free, just reply to me. I'll
Oh.
take it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for the class.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay, just go through that and you just write all your questions, whatever you have in your mind. You just go through fully, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then, yeah. So I'll share this regarding and last session regarding as well in couple of minutes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. You too.
Bye.